Welcome back to my channel, Mastering the AI. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a creative soul, or simply curious about the wonders of the world, there's something here for everyone. In this video, I'll show you 3 effective ways to quickly earn money online using free AI tools, regardless of your experience level. These methods are efficient and can help you start making real money in a short period of time. Additionally, I'll guide you on how to automate your work and save valuable time and effort. Let's begin by exploring different occupations and learning how to master the necessary tools in less than a day. Before we begin, could you kindly subscribe to my channel? Your support will motivate me to create more AI tutorials for everyone and reassure me that my efforts are appreciated. Thank you so much. The first occupation where you can easily make money is to work as a writing assistant. There are various options available, such as contract writer, script writer, or copywriter. You can use ChatGPT to automate your work, making tasks like creating contracts. For example, a client wants you to write a contract on hiring someone and provide you with the details. All you have to do is to copy and paste in ChatGPT, and contract will be ready as you are seeing here. You can add the remaining details later. Send it to the client and collect money. Second way you can make money with AI is by creating graphic designs for various sectors, including marketing, e-commerce, and social media. Using AI tools that can create images from text like Canva, Midjourney, and Leonardo, you can create logos, business cards, and other digital artwork quickly and easily. All you need to do is to create good images, form the text by giving prompts. It is important to learn how to give correct prompts since free versions of AI software give limited number of images to make. I will share a video later on how to write good prompts. For example, if you want to create a wall art, simply go to Canva. Create an image from the text and apply to the template that you want. Finally, there are several opportunities for website designers. These days, almost all businesses want to have their own website to promote their businesses and increase their sales and revenues. With AI tools for website development, you don't need coding or software development skills anymore to be able to develop a website. There are dozens of AI platforms like Wix ADI, 10Web, Wizard, Zyro, and Screepy that offer user-friendly options to create stunning websites in less than 5 minutes. All you need to do is go to the website, give some basic information about the business, and just apply next buttons and website will be ready quickly. Once you've decided on your path as a writing assistant, graphic designer, or website designer, learn the required tools through the online tutorials. After that, simply create accounts on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Now, these platforms have dedicated sections for AI artists, AI content writer, and AI music creators. You can work on these platforms as a freelancer and make very good money. While working as a freelancer, you can earn anywhere from around $25 per hour to more than $200 per hour, given the expertise you have or develop over time. I personally see a huge demand of AI artists in the near future. As you can see on the Fiverr page, some people are demanding between $25 to more than $200 per hour. With AI technology, the jobs are automated and can be done 4 to 5 times faster, so increasing revenues and profits. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like and share, subscribe. See you in the next video.